Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we can hosting the starting website using the Route 53 from the S3. So first of all, we have to register and buy the free domain from this website. Like it is a free norm website. It is a free of cost. You can take the domain from that. So let's open the internet and try to check this website free norm. You can see here I'm trying to open this website, and whatever the domain you want to purchase to the free of cost, just you need to check that. Like take an example. So I'm trying to check one of my domain like Biswa Kono Sahu. So it is I want to take whether what are the domain name are available here. I have already, yeah, you can just click and check availability. So once you click on that, you can see the first one I have already added in my account. So that's why it is showing as not available. But yeah, so if you don't have anything, so if you like, you can take the free one, like whatever the available domain, you can take that. So yeah, this highlighted are the free of cost. You don't need to pay for that. But on the below, you can see some of the domain name like .com, .net, .org are paid one. So as for the price, you have to pay for that. So as we are doing for the demo perspective, we don't need to pay for that. We can take the free one. So let's see. Let's check the. You can see the domain name whether it is available or not. Yeah. So you can see it is available now. Check availability. You can see it is available. So you can add it into the cart, and once added in your cart, and just do the checkout. And once click on checkout, it will ask you to enter the your details like your email ID, your name, and once enter your details, you will get the email and you can verify that. If you have not registered the email ID, then you have to register for the first time. And once it's verified, you can check it out and you can add it in your account. And once get verified and one brought this domain, then you can use that. So I'm not taking this because I have already the old one. So yeah, you can click on continue and you can buy that, right? Like it is without any cost. And once once it by this free domain, you can see I have already taken the my old one. It is already added in my account. So you can see it is biswakunusahu dot ml. If you want to add it, you can add it. Yeah, but I have already taken the old one, which is you can see here that domain, the biswakunusahu.tk. Yeah, that is already I have added in my account. So accordingly, yeah, as per your requirement, we can add the free domain in your account. And once you added it, then we have to do some activity from the AWS console side. Yeah. So it is the 3 month validity, right? So you can see I registered for the today, and it is valid up to 3 months, and it is completely free of cost. So right now it is not opening because we have to bind with the Route 53. So let's open the AWS console. So we have to create the Route 53, and we have to register that. So yeah, let's open the. Yeah, first of all, before creating Route S3, we can create one of the bucket. So you can create the same bucket name as for the domain name. Like my domain name is Vishwakuno Sahu.tickets domain name. So you can add www the domain name. You can add the domain name and create the bucket. Yeah, once created the bucket here, then you have to click on add. Yeah, the location is not required to select because we are creating the S3 bucket, right? So region is not required. So let's create it. Yeah, once created the bucket, then we have to allow for the public access because any user can access your website, right? So we have to enter inside the bucket. Then we have to click on properties. You can see the block. It is the by default it is not enabled for the public access. So let's click on edit and let's allow it, like to remove the block all the public access so everyone can access this S3 bucket. So, and once we uh, allowed for the public access, then we can just check and confirm whether it is allowed or not. But yeah, you can see here it is already allowed because we removed the block. So now it is accessible for everyone, so anyone can access your S3 bucket. So after that we have to add the bucket policy, as well as we have to enable the static website hosting. So let's click on edit, and then we have to enable it. By default it is disabled, but we have to enable it. So once get enabled, yeah, while enabling it, it will ask you to enter the details like static website, or you want to redirect the request for object. So we can select the host static website, and we have to enter the index.html because we have to enter this file inside the bucket. So let's save it. Yeah. So the second option, we have to create the bucket policy. So let's go to the bucket, and yeah, you can see bucket policy by default it is blank. So let's go to the, yeah, let's check on the internet like what is the how we can create the bucket policy for the anonymous user. So once use you can see it is the example of the anonymous user. So, yeah, so uh, just copy this JSON format. Let copy it and paste it inside the our bucket. Yeah, so I copy that this JSON format. Then let's click on edit and paste here. We just need to we just need to edit the bucket name, because bucket name is different here. So let's change the bucket name. Our bucket name is, yeah, www.piso.kono.saho.tk. So let's change it. Yeah, once change the bucket name to the correct one, then we have to save it. Okay, let's save it. So from the S3 side we have done. So now we have to go to route 53, and we have to changes some settings, like we have to create some host zone. So sorry, it is route 53. Yeah, correct. So let's go to the route 53 in the different tab. In the Route 53 dashboard, you can see DNS management, traffic management, availability monitoring, routing control, and domain registration. If you don't have any domain, then we can register to get the new domain. But we have already purchased the domain, so you just need to click on the create host zone. So you have to enter the domain name here, like whatever we have registered in the freenum.com. And after that, you can see two options is there, but you have to select the public hosted, because we are allowed for the anonymous user. Anyone can access, right? So once create the host zone, you can see we are getting all the name servers name, right? So we just need to copy all those name servers name, because we have to add those names in the freenum website, because we have to bind those name server with the our domain name. So I have already copied that. So let's go to the freenum website, and we have to click on that, go to the, yeah, my domains. And in the my domains, you can see my domain is there. So let's go to manage domain, because we have to change some settings here, right? So let's click on manage domain here, and go to management tool and click on name servers. So we had four name server name. So it is, you can see I was already being used a different name server for different domains. So let's remove it and re-enter our name server here. Yeah, let's copy one by one. We have four name server, so we can paste here. Yeah, the last one will be blank because we don't have the fifth one, so that is not required, so we can make it blank. Okay, so let's save it. Let's change name server. Yeah, so it has been saved. Yeah, so now we have to create one of the index.html file, so that we have to upload that index.html file into the bucket. Yeah, before that you have to create the record. In the record we have to you have to make yeah we have to make the alias in the route traffic. You will get alias to s3 website, so let's select it. Yeah, so in the routing policy, yeah, we can make it simple, and yeah, here we have to select. Uh, yeah, even the region is not required because S3 can any region, right? So let's select the host name S3 S3 name, and let's create records. Yeah, once created that, it means we have done everything from the route 53 side. So now as I told, like, we have to create one of the index.html file, and we have to insert in the bucket. So I have already created the index.html file, like, hello friends, welcome to uh, we can just, yeah, welcome to India, and we can, and thank you for visiting. So we can save this file, and then we have to upload this file inside the S3. Just click on upload and upload that index.html file here. So let's upload it, and once it uploaded, it means we have done everything, right? So let's open that website name and to validate whether my page is opening or not. So let's open here, and you can see this page is opening. This page is opening, right? So it is very straightforward, and it is very simple page. But if you want to make it beautiful, like, you can download our the on the there is available the website template available in this URL. So just open free hyphen css.com, and you will get multiple template for the website. So I selected the third one, so you can see multiple templates are available. So I in this demo I selected the third one, and once it's selected that, there is a download option. So let's click on download it. It is a tar file, and once get download this tar or zip file, then we have to extract it. So you can see it is downloaded successfully in my download directory. So let's extract to the same location here, and yeah, once extracted, you can see it is extracted. Yeah, but it's looking very big large name. So let me change to like demo, something like that, huh? So let's change to demo, like my demo. And we have already the index html file inside the s3. So let me remove it, and after that we can upload this my demo directly into the same bucket. Then we can refresh the page, refresh the website, and we can see we are able to open the updated website, updated template, right? So let me remove the old one index.html file from here first. Yeah, the old index.html file has been removed. So let me upload the latest one, like whatever the template I have downloaded. So let me upload here. We have to upload the entire directory because in this directory, like is a lot of files are available, right? Lot of files are available for the template. So let me uh, okay. Yeah, I got this directory. Yeah. So inside the directory, you can see my demo directory is there. Let's upload it. It will take some time to upload because it's a very large file. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to upload. So let's wait for 1 minute, and once get uploaded, and then we can try to open the website, our domain name, to validate whether it is working or not. So the directory has been uploaded successfully inside this bucket. So let's try to open the website. If you refresh the page, it's not opening because we have to open like the website name slash my demo because we have uploaded the entire directory. So let's open, yes, slash my demo. You can see the page is opening now. Yeah, so you can see it is the uh, different page, like we have uploaded that template from the free css website. So as per requirement, either you can create the you can download the template or you can customize it. And if you want to, for the demo, like the if you want to upload only the index.html file, that's also the fine. Uh, so thank you so much for watching.